Welcome to AgriVerse-X, the platform transforming agriculture for 500 million plus farmers worldwide, while rewarding you for engaging, sharing, and growing your farm business.
The AgriVerse-X participant engagement program helps you build community, drive growth, earn AVX tokens, complete tasks in 30-60 minutes, and unlock powerful rewards. Task 1. Follow AgriVerse-X on all platforms. LinkedIn, Twitter or X, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Turn on notifications, like, comment, and share posts. Task 2. Invite 5 people using your unique referral link. Earn referral bonuses for each successful sign-up, plus 10% of their earnings for 12 months. Task 3. Share AgriVerse-X social handles with your personal network. Post on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter or X, Instagram, and community groups. Task 4. Record a 1 to 3 minute onboarding video. Introduce yourself, show your farm, explain challenges, and share your goals. Authentic stories build trust and inspire others. Complete all tasks and you can earn a $343.75 is make it even more frustrating. Upload your video. Verification takes 24 to 72 hours and rewards are credited directly to your sport. Only real referrals count. Genuine engagement ensures your success. Build community, drive growth. Earn rewards. Start with Task 1 today at www.agriverse-x.com and become part of the agricultural revolution.
Terms and conditions apply.